Upland is on the brink of what might be its biggest evolution ever, the birth of a real, living economy. Let's dive in and break down exactly how your digital land is about to come alive.
You know, for the longest time, property in Upland has been about a few key things, right? Location, being part of a cool collection, maybe some visual development. What if that land you own could actually become an active part of the world?
The goal here is to transform Upland from a world that you just own a piece of into a world that you actively build.
This really is a fundamental shift in philosophy. Okay, so here's the crucial point. Before, developing your property was, well, it was mostly for looks. It was visual. Now it's becoming a genuine economic engine. What you build, how you develop that property is going to directly decide what it produces and how it plugs into the entire Upland economy. Your properties are, for the first time, about to get a job.
What are the nuts and bolts? Well, it's all built on three core pillars, something called STEM, Troves, and recipes.
First up, we've got STEM. The easiest way to think about this is like the fuel for the economy. Now, it's designed to be account-bound and inflationary, and that's on purpose. The goal here isn't scarcity. The whole system is built to make sure as many players as possible can get their hands on STEM and actually participate in this new economy.
I mean, sure, you can buy it in the store, but the real focus here is on earning it through gameplay.